first you need to up this and then put it over there. And then this one will go over here. And then next, this one just go over here. Okay? So next one, is this one. So put this over here. And then this one. Did you see this? Little break. Don't be angry. It's okay. And then. Get this one. Did you see this one? Build this one. No. Okay. Let's do another. Okay, this one. Okay, and then next one. Did you see this? Look. So in the next, put this over that, and then like this, and then this one go over here, and this one go right over here. If your airplane is always like this, you can do it like this. You can fly by yourself. Then next, this one. It's like a jet. Have a look at this. Almost there, bro. And then this one go over to the back. This one. Build this. Did you see this one? Put that all right over there. It's not yet done. And then next, put this right over here. Wait guys, so come back.
Whoa. Oh no.
Okay guys, so next. Okay. Okay guys. Put this over here. You know what is suck. Okay, let's take this off. And then, did you see this? Fake that. And then, okay, wait on, please. I'm so cool, bro. Okay, then next, did you see this? Put this right over here, okay? And then next, and then, this one. Did you see this one? Okay, put this right over there to the front. Now it's going to fly. Did you see it? So you see time to build. This is my YouTube, so guys. Then, and then this one. My babies. Okay. I'll come back. We need this one. So next. Oh boy. Bro, it's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. And then next, guys, if you are, I'm confused with this. Okay. Put that right over there. It's okay. That is my baby, guys.